Has this ever happened to you? You're backing up into your slot, and all of a sudden, somebody swoops in and steals that spot away from you. Annoying, isn't it? But why does this happen? It's all down to a lack of courtesy and etiquette. So what are the do's and don'ts in the parking area? Here at AutoIndustriya.com, we'll show you how. Like any road network, a parking structure has its own set of rules, meaning arrows, signs, and speed limits. What are they for? The parking lot is a busy area. That means there's a lot of people suddenly crossing or cars suddenly leaving their slots. Now, a lower speed limit would mean that you have enough time to react just in case the untoward happens. Also, the own set of rules will keep traffic flowing. The turn signal, a simple device to let others know where you're headed. It's handy on the road and it's handy when you're parking too. It lets the person behind you know that you're slowing down to get into a slot, and that way, the car behind you can give enough space to perform the maneuver. We frown upon people who counterflow on the roads, but what about those who do it on the parking lot? Arrows are meant to keep the flow of traffic as continuous as possible, and counterflowing already makes a tight road even tighter as it is. To avoid this, it's simple. Follow the arrows on the floor or look out for signs that point you to the right direction. Don't want to end up on social media over bad parking? Do you not want your car to get keyed? A simple way to avoid that is to park within the lines. Don't take up two spaces. Plain and simple. Parking within the lines also avoids door dings from other cars and reduces the risk of getting hit by other cars either trying to park or trying to leave. It's all about maximizing space. First come, first serve. The same rule applies in parking. Standing in front of a parking slot to reserve it is a no-no. But why? First of all, parking reservations are formally coordinated with the management. Granted, it's not against the law to stand in front of a parking slot, but just because you can, doesn't mean you should. Also, you don't own the place, and you don't dictate who gets to park where. As a courtesy, be mindful of the cars beside you. You wouldn't want to be hit by a flailing door. It's only courteous that you do the same. Open the door carefully at all times. If parking spaces are full, some will wait by the exits and follow someone till they get to their car. A better approach is to ask someone, politely of course, if they are leaving. Besides, how would you feel if a car was following you to your parking spot and just waited there? There are far too many viral videos of bad parkers and the fights that are caused by bad parking. That shouldn't be the case because parking is one of the more simple and stress-free parts of driving. So how do you be a better parker? It's simple. Always follow the rules, be disciplined, and always observe etiquette. Unless you want to be part of the next viral video.